fear and anxiety in the minds of Goans and people of Cavelossim, as the Asolna and Cavelossim bridge expansion joints have parted off, due to which safety of life while driving could be hampered in a big way, as well as several people use this bridge to park vehicles and sit with alcohol, which is creating a cause of concern to the locals around. Steps government intends to take to resolve this issue so that the people don't sit there and this joint which is there is immediately packed up with the rubber packing what is required. So dogs and address kal speaker sir.
Fear or anxiety. आप PWD minister में सांगता. Speaker sir, तो पै joint असं ते expansion joint. ते तो एक लोखंडाची म्हणजे स्टीलाची पट्टी आशिल्ली. ती कोणे चोरली speaker sir. आता ती दुसरी घालता. But fear or anxiety सांगता पै जसे it was a lack of चोरले speaker sir. कंप्लेन केल्या पण ताका न्यू घालता सर.
Speaker sir चोरली म्हणतो परत म्हाका उलोवपा लायतो. चोत जाल्यार सगळ्यो स्ट्रीप चोरी करताय ते कोटा कित जालें तिका. It is because of negligence. तोय पडत म्हूण आते भाशेन पळटे भाशेन मागीर म्हटले मागीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपा मागीर MB आहाय ते मागीर पयतले स्पीकर सर